Hello again, everyone. As I had mentioned on a previous video, I am doing a bit of a review of the Galen Leather A5 Zip Folio. I purchased this folio from Goulet Pens, and when I got it, it was a little bit scratched up, a little bit marked up, but as I said before in my video where I unboxed and gave a review of the pen case from them, they do sell their leather as being sort of rustic, so again, kind of take it or leave it with that. This is the natural leather color, and I actually forgot to include this in my collection of leather covers. It's not really a traveler's notebook, it's more of a folio, but I should have included it in that collection and I didn't, so I wanted to do a separate video on this showing it to you all. So as you can see, I have been using it for a while. Really the main use I've had for it is storing it on my desk for some fountain pens and some writing paper. So I did have an A5 size cafe notes in here at one point in time, and that did fit with fountain pens and everything in it, and now I just have a smaller notebook, which I'll show you when I open it up. So the zipper works great. And this leather is actually very smooth on the front. I like the feel of this leather. And here I'll show you this other one that I already unboxed. This is the pen case. This leather does not feel as smooth as this leather does. And I don't know if this is because I actually don't know if it's a different kind of leather generally, but I also wonder if it's because it's nude versus dyed. So I don't know. This one is not as smooth and lovely as this one, in my opinion. Although this one you have some more natural character on your leather, and this one you don't really have much. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up here. So I have, I don't have anything on this key fob, that comes with it. Okay, so I'll take this out so I can show you. So there's a little slip folio pocket here, which is open at the top, which is kind of nice in case you wanted to take advantage of something that was on the top. And then I just have an A5 insert size notebook there. And this is actually a really great company. It's called Prism of Starlings on Etsy. And she makes, the shop owner makes just beautiful paper products with her own art on it. And these are stickers in the front, and there's actually some notebook pages. I haven't really written anything in here. I'm not sure if I'll swap it out for something, but I like looking at it when I open the notebook, so that's why I have it in here, because the majority of what I'm using it for is fountain pen storage. So I have a few TWSBIs in here. And, oh, I should say, so this was actually a new acquisition for me. This little TWSBI Diamond Mini I got off of a buy-sell trade group. I had been looking for the gold for quite some time, and I finally found one. So, and they shipped it with a gold ink in it. I was kind of two minds, should I have them empty it and clean it? But then when I got it, the gold ink is so pretty that's in there, and it shipped fine with the ink. So good all around. But anyway, I was really happy to find that. So I have my 3 diamond minis in here. I have a couple of diamond 580s, and then I have a couple of additional fountain pens. I believe that this is, which one is this? Yes, this is the Pilot Falcon, which I will do a separate review of different brands of fountain pens, including Pilot, which I haven't done yet. And then this one, I think, is a Platinum 3776. And that is the only fancy platinum fountain pen that I have. So I plan to do a video on platinum fountain pens at some point as well. But this is just to show you what will fit in here for now. So I have those fountain pens, and then up here I have some little notes from an art class that I took with little art prompts. And then I have some double stick tape and some little stickies from my Jabun Techo. I wasn't using them in my everyday carry, so I just moved them over to here. So one thing that's kind of cool about this little setup here is that you can take this portion out that holds the pens, and then you could use it for something else. You could put a little notepad in here perhaps. You could put papers, you could put business cards down in here. It has a lot of different usage options. You also could put things other than fountain pens in these slots as well. But I generally keep the fountain pens in here, so it just tucks down into that little thing, which is kind of nice to be able to take that out, use it for other things, just put the fountain pen storage somewhere else, etc. So I think, I should show you that this actually has a whole little slot here. So you can fit a Apple iPad mini in this slot. I have tried it and it does indeed fit. You also could fit a Kindle in here if you wanted to. You could either fit it under here or find a solution to fit it here. That is one thing that I might end up doing with this, is use it for a Kindle. Someone on Facebook had posted a solution that they had where they glued part of a case to the back of their Kindle so that they could use it Folio style. I might end up doing something like that because I have been really wanting something that I could just tuck the part of the case in there and then have the Kindle open like that. Although I have not been reading much. This whole coronavirus thing has completely thrown everything out of whack. I haven't been reading, I haven't been listening to books, I haven't been doing as much art as I normally do, although I am taking more art classes, so I guess that counts. But I've noticed some people have been really inspired lately, but I just have not. I think I feel more tired than anything else. It's just really stressful and draining, and that's what's going on. But anyway, I digress on that. So I think that's it to show you on the inside. There aren't any other pockets or anything that I didn't show you. But it's a very nice little package there. It's kind of similar to, there's a company that makes leather goods called This Is Ground, which I do not have any products from them, but the layout in here looks somewhat similar to what they have in their zip pouches, their leather zip pouches, and they're way more expensive. This was around $100, I believe. Theirs are, super expensive. And given the few Galen products that I have, which are not many, because I've told you on the previous video where I did the unboxing of my pen case that I have some doubts about Galen Leather Company. But I would definitely say that this, in the nude at the very least, the nude color, is of better quality, in my opinion, than the leather used in the pen case that I just got. So I think that's about it on that one. Feel free to like and or subscribe. If you have any questions about this folio, feel free to ask below. And I think that's it for today. All right, thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.